Hi everyone, it's Leslie Chandler. Hope you're having a great day. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because of Canva. Canva is the coolest application for creating all kinds of different media content for your YouTube, your Instagram, all kinds of stuff. So what I'm working on today is I'm learning that you can actually create a YouTube intro on Canva. So what you're going to do is start out by searching in templates and look for YouTube intros. Oops, might spell it right. There we go. And so when you click on that, there are multiple templates that you can use. Oh my gosh, there's so many different things that you can use and you can edit to make them work for you. That one looks interesting for me. I found one earlier that I want to use. Let's see. Here we go. So you just select the one you want to use. And here we go. So I can edit these pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these pictures and add my own pictures from my uploads. So I'm going to use this one. And I want it to fit inside the little Polaroid looking thing here. So I'm going to resize it and kind of turn it a little bit to make it work. That might take a little bit. You don't want it to go over because you want it to look like that cute little Polaroid. All right, so there's that one. And then I'm going to add another one here. Let's see what we got. We'll use this one. That's all I have in there is those two pictures. So I keep duplicating it for some reason. Pull it down a little bit. We'll let that one go over the other one. All right. Looks pretty good. All right, so I've got my two pictures. Let me see if I can reposition this. Let's go backwards. How does that look? Let's see. That doesn't work because, well, let's see if we can make this go forward, the little Polaroid thing. And then make this picture. Oh, it made the picture go to the back. Okay, let's see. Okay, now how do we combine these two pictures? I think group. Okay. Okay, so cool. Now I have it grouped together. All right, well, that took a minute. Okay, so we have our two pictures and I have them positioned the way that I want. And so now I'm going to change this to the content that I want it to be. So I'm going to say crafting with Leslie or just something funny like that. And let's change the size of that by selecting it and going over here to the size. And let's make it about 80. Then we're going to take this out. Okay, so we'll just keep it really simple for this purpose. Okay, so if you'll notice, we're actually creating an intro, which is video of your beginning of your YouTube videos. And so it does have animation. So if you look up here, you see this rise. It's already set to rise type. What is the word? It defaults to the rise animation, but you can actually change the animation to different ones. I like the scrapbook, but you can do tumble. That's kind of cool. neon. It's kind of I want to keep it with the scrapbook. I kind of like tumble. Okay, let's do the tumble. And then it's this particular template is already defaulted to the Blizzards type music. So let's hear and see if you like that. You can click play up here. And I don't really like it. I don't really like that. So I'm going to click on the, I'm going to click to stop it. And then I'm going to go over here to music. And I'm going to find something that's a little more me. And so there's lots of choices here. I think I like that one, but ew. I mean, I like kind of like, let's see what. No. How about Morning Snowflake? You could be here all day trying to find what you want to use. Oh, I could do this all day. Happy days? Oh, I like this one. How about Snap Happy? Okay, I'm just gonna try one more. Okay, I like that one. So I'm just gonna leave that one. Now let's preview and see what everything looks like. So if you'll notice up here at the top, let me stop that. So if you notice up here at the top, you can hit this little play button to see, and it defaults to 5.0 seconds. So let's watch it. Okay, and once we get finished watching it, we can hit close. Now let's say that I want it to go a little bit longer, then you can just click on the clock here and you can add a couple more seconds to it. You don't want to be too long about it so that there's actually more to your video than your intro. So now let's look at it again since I added a little bit of time. I like that. Okay, so if you're finished, if you like everything that you have, then all you would do is download the video. So that's it. That's all you have to do to create a really cool intro for your YouTube videos. And then you would just insert this into the beginning of your video. That's all I got for today. Thank you. Happy Monday.